Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Virtua Tennis 4 game is the best tennis game in PC. Now in this video I will show you how you can play the real life ATP or WTA tour in this tennis game. There are so many different types of game modes, like you can play arcade, practice match and special exhibition match as well, but the main attraction of this game is this tennis ATP live tour, where you can live a life of a professional tennis player. Here at first starting the game, you toured the whole four different Grand Slam like Australia Open, French Open, Wimbledon and US Open, and after completing that you will play the ATP Masters, where you have to defeat the best players, and after that you will play a special match against King. In this video I will show you back to back how you can win the four Grand Slam, and after that what happens. Please see the video till last to enjoy the tennis life in this game. In this way, after winning the US Open, the new tour path opens, where you have to play a little more to complete the ATP Masters, and after that the special match against King. Now we have come to the final match of the ATP Masters. Only this tournament is 4 game match. Other than this, all of the tournaments are 2 game match in this game.
Now, like you can see that I have got the match point, championship point. This game was very tough, so it takes a while to match point, championship point. Now, like you can see, I have won the match and the championship and the ATP final. This is final virtual fourth game. Now, after winning tournament, we will get the following things which is gonna be happen in this. Now, like they are showing congratulations, and after that you will condition will be 0, and you will win the trophy and starts. Now, like you can see, I have a tight game, so still I have won so many stars, and now Masters. Congratulations achieving the new rank. Now new tier has been the 3 days recovery time. So after that I am going to the last round of this game and the last tournament and the last competition of this game, which is the King of Players special match. I will this match is the King of Players. I am skipping this tour and going directly to the final.
Now this is the last and final match in this tour event, where you have to beat the King. Though I have played with a woman character, but the King is a male, and I have to beat him in this game to win the finest and the last glory of this game.
Now the game is starting. I am skipping to the final of this game. now comment what happens after my winning the game. Now this final match was very tough and I had very much trouble to win this match. Like you can see, I am playing for more than 14 minutes and after that I have got the match point against you. Now here I will show you what happens when the final match is. Now you can see how tough this battle is, but still I win the match, and now we will see what happens when you win the final match against him and how this game ends. Like you see how this game is ending. They are showing congratulations, and after that condition is dropping, but never mind. Now that I get 38 and 41 stars, and after that I get total 911 stars, and then calculate it 60 hours later. Another like this, like this is the end of the super season. Like here I got total 946 stars and my final rating masters. There, now this is my full record of my tour. These are the charity events, exhibitions, and tournament. These are the major tournaments in the past season, including Australian Open Champion. The awards I got and the stars I got. Now after that the second season starts, and these are the one. You will face all of these kind of training matches, everything like real life.
In this way, the game is ended, and here they show all of the trophies I have won so far in this game and in this whole tour life. I hope you enjoyed this video and came to know how the game works and how you can enjoy life of a professional player in this game. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for the similar game videos like this. Thank you for watching.
If you want to play this game, you will feel all of the journey of the things of the Buddha and the Buddha. And you can see I have got with all of them in the tournament, the final season, and too many awards and stars. In this way, my player gets and building a statue of my character.